Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're taking a drive all the way from Ajah down to Eleko, a route that has undergone significant construction in the recent time. This journey promised to be an exciting one as we explore the changes that has taken place in this road. For those who are not familiar with this road, Ajah is a booming environment located around Eti-Osa local government, and that is in Lagos, Nigeria. It is a popular destination because of the market, the shopping mall, and the residents in that area. Then Eleko, on the other hand, is a coastal town that is at the outskirts of Lagos. That's the IBEJU LEKKI axis. It is also in Lagos. It is known for the serene beach, the tourist attraction, and the wonderful destination for visitors who want to go and enjoy themselves. So in this video, I'll be showing the current construction that is taking place in this road, and this particular construction will improve the accessibility in this axis between these two towns. It includes the expansion of the road, the construction of the new road, the fourth mainland bridge, and modern street light that will be in this axis. So join me as I take you on this exciting journey of moving all the way from this axis, which is Ajah, down to IBEJU LEKKI axis. My name is Denison. I would strongly recommend you subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload on this channel, you'll be the first set of people that will get the notification when I upload on this channel. Click on this subscribe button below to subscribe, and also click on the bell notification to make sure that you subscribe so that whenever I upload, you will get a notification. Say it to the end of this video. My name is Denison. What I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria, I help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos, Nigeria. I give you property that I know have the potential of operation very well. Please stay to the end of this video. We are currently in Ajah. We are heading straight to Ibrahim Adesoya. We are currently in Ibrahim Adesoya. This road you are seeing now is the road that will lead to the fourth mainland bridge. Then this back part which you are seeing now lead back to Ajah bus stop. Then this particular road by your right you are seeing now lead to Ogombo area. So which means that at this point where we are, the road by the right lead to Ogombo. The road by the left is where the fourth mainland bridge will start. This is the Lagos Business School. It is immediately after Ajah. Before you get to Songo to the bus stop, you go to see the Lagos Business School. It's a very popular business school that is actually recognized internationally. This is Kosari's motto after Songo Todo in Awoyaya. This is the Meridian Park Estate right here, still in Awoyaya. This is Lekki area where we have the Lekki Golf, we have the Lekki Resorts, where we have the Imo Resort also is all in this area, and we have a couple of estates in this houses which you can buy into, like the Peak Resort and this Peak Resort. You can actually is around this area, which is Lekki. Lekki is popular because of the hospitality, the golf and the ambience around this area. We have so many other beaches too in this area too. This area is called Bogije. Bogije is also a fantastic area to learn appreciating very well in this area. And also in this area too, we have estate like the Xylos Court is in Bogije, and we have some other estate that is around this houses. So if you're looking at buying a buy and build area, then this area is a good one for you. If you observe this road, as they've started construction all the way from Awoyaya down to Eleko, you can see this other side too. Work is going on this particular Lekki-Epe Expressway. This is the popular Beechwood Estate right here in IBEJU Lekki. I know Beechwood Estate is a very major estate right here in IBEJU Lekki, and if you are looking for a major landmark in IBEJU Lekki, Beechwood is such kind of estate. We are still in Bogije. The left hand side you're seeing is the entrance to the popular Xylos Court estate. It is right inside an existing estate, which is the Rich Garden estate. That is where we have the Xylos Court estate. We still have land for sales in this Xylos Court estate in Bogije. So if you're looking at buying building materials, there are a couple of markets in these houses where you can buy building materials for you who want to construct your house in IBEJU LEKKI houses. There are different small markets that enable you to buy building materials. The right hand side you're seeing is the popular Macarius Luxury Estate right here in IBEJU LEKKI. So I will do a comprehensive video on this Macarius Luxury Estate, where I also did a drive from location to this particular estate, and also there's a comprehensive video that's coming after this video that will talk about Macarius Estate, the luxury estate that you need to buy into. From Macarius Estate down to the popular Eleko junction is not far. By the left hand side we have the Delight Estate. By the left hand side, by the right hand side we have houses where people are viewed individually. So this road where we are now, we are just few minutes away from the popular Eleko junction, where we have the beaches, different type of beach, and also where we have Amen Estate Phase 1 and also Amen Estate Phase 2. So if you're looking at getting a house around this IBEJU LEKKI houses, as you know, the best person to talk to is Dennis. So what I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria to get property right here in IBEJU LEKKI. So this is the most popular location in IBEJU LEKKI, called the Eleko junction. The straight leads to Ekpe, while this leads to the beach and also to Amen Estate. Thank you for staying to this point. I appreciate you so much. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. My name is Dennis Esa.